following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At 12:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, there have been reports of people disappearing into thin air. The cause of this event is unknown at this time. This is appeared to be an attack against the United States. All residents of the United States are advised to return to their homes immediately. It is unknown if this event will spread into the world, but it is currently unknown at this time. Stay tuned for more information and instructions on this dangerous and unusual situation. Be prepared to take action if danger is imminent, and stay tuned for further news and updates. This is WBYR, and we will continue to serve the Fort Wayne metropolitan area. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an update to the reports of people disappearing into thin air. It has been reported that this is not a national event, but a global event. There have been increasing reports of people disappearing into thin air from not just the United States, but the world. There have been reports of people disappearing into nothing, which could mean that this is an attack. Get to your homes immediately. This has appeared to be a global event, as many people have disappeared from their houses. Also, people have been reported that cars are crashing into other vehicles after they disappear. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. All residents of the world are advised to return to your homes immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. possessions, and anything else that makes you feel comfortable. Embrace for the end. If you are a religious person, pray to your god or goddess. This is the end of humanity. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, but the end has come. We now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.